I'm Hamza Al Ghatam. I'll be born in Bahrain, and I've lived in like number of countries because I moved to Saudi Arabia, where I started my education there till the 3rd grade because of family business. Then I moved back to Bahrain from the 4th grade till I graduated from high school. And then I moved straight away to United Arab Emirates, where I joined the American University of Sharjah. But I just stayed there for 1 year. Then I decided to change my major and I moved to UK, where I did my first degree in software engineering. Then I moved to do my master's degree in information system security and cybercrime investigation at Plymouth University. Then I worked for a brief there as a researcher before coming back to Bahrain to my family and to my country. A lot of people do get a bit shocked when they hear that I did study cybercrime investigation and this is my major, and that I'm doing art and design, branding and speaking about beautiful things. But that was my hobby from the beginning. So I treated it as a hobby and like a side business. So I used all that time during my study to do designs, branding for the university, for the local brand where my university located, and that used to get us some extra money as students as well. So it's like fun and money at the same time. So I didn't leave it till I came back to Bahrain, and I decided in one point that why not do what I love, which is designing. And I was an employee at that time. I didn't last long as an employee, and moved on. I created my own business as a full-time. I worked on my business as a full-time. It was already there, but I was treating it as a part-time thing. Then I'm now full-time for more than 5 years, and I'm doing what I love as a full-timer. When we started Picasso House, it was even something like back from my university time, where we used to get a project. It's not just me, group of designers. We divide the work between us and we get the job done and we share the profit. The same happened at the beginning in Bahrain as well. But then things progressed, where I thought I have to do it in a proper way, where I have to start the business and really focus on it to get more rewards out of it. We took it step by step. We grow our market base. It's larger than before. We've done great jobs, great projects, and we are now very known for our branding that we do services for other companies. The general trend these days, as more entrepreneurs we have in the country, everyone wants to do their business. A lot of people want to move into a more Western style. Everyone wants their brand to look as a big franchised Western brand, which is something can be done simply, but it needs to be focused on lots of small details to make it look as professional as possible. And from there they can grow and grow their business and market and sales as well. We try to sponsor a number of events. We put as one event for Bahrain every year in one way or another. Either it's a conference, sponsorship, or an event, or a club. We are sponsoring, for example, we are one of the sponsors for Bahrain Toastmaster Club for a number of years now. We did sponsor the first version of Discover Bahrain, which been done a couple of years ago. To show foreign people about Bahrain and their history and our history and so on. And we always do that, just try to help in one event or another event when it comes to society. My work philosophy is just do what you love, be very passionate about what you are working on. Doing something you don't love, the end product won't be good. So we just try, not just myself, the people who work with me within the company. We always try to do something that we like, we love, we think that looks great at the end of the day. We don't just follow other people's opinion and just for the sake of finishing a project. We try to do something in a nice way that we like it as much as other people like it. To youth in Bahrain, I will say, try to work hard. Don't give up your dreams. It's tough and always going to be tough. But if you persist and keep working hard, you will reap the fruits one day.